Platelets are the third formed element that we are going to look at. They are critical to homeostasis and blood clotting inside of our body. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes, start off as large cells called megakaryocytes. These cells reside in the bone marrow, and as they develop, they lose their nucleus and break apart into smaller fragments. These fragments become the platelets that circulate in the bloodstream. Platelets are tiny, measuring about 2 to 3 micrometers in diameter. When inactive, they have a smooth disc-like shape, but once activated, they change into an irregular form with projections. Although they lack a nucleus, they still contain organelles and granules that play a role in their function. Let's take a look at what's inside a platelet. Even though platelets are just fragments of a larger cell, they still have important structures that help them function. Their plasma membrane is a phospholipid bilayer, just like the membranes in your cells. Inside, they have a cytoskeleton, which helps them change shape when activated. Platelets also contain granules, which are small storage packets filled with different substances. Alpha granules hold clotting factors, something we'll dive into more in another video. Dense granules store ADP, ATP, calcium, and serotonin, all of which play key roles in platelet activation. Lysosomes contain enzymes that help break down cellular debris. And just like other cells, platelets have mitochondria to produce energy, which keeps them functioning properly. Platelets have a short lifespan, lasting about 7 to 10 days as they circulate through the bloodstream. When they get old or damaged, the spleen and liver step in to clear them out. The spleen acts like a filter, removing worn-out or non-functional platelets. If the spleen becomes enlarged, it can trap and remove more platelets than usual, which can lead to a lower platelet count in lab tests. The liver also plays a role in platelet clearance. Specialized cells called Kupffer cells help break down any aging or damaged platelets that slip past the spleen. This process keeps the bloodstream clear of non-functional platelets and helps maintain a healthy balance. Now that we know what platelets are made of and how they function, let's dive into how they spring into action when an injury occurs.